Si Mia. Yes.
Through the fire, through the limit to the wall.
Yes.
For a chance to be with you, I let the risk it all.
Oh my gosh.
Through whatever come with me.
Vocal agility. Grabe.
To leave you, I take it all away.
Grabe yung chops.
Right down to the wine.
Yes! Oh my gosh! Grabe ang talas ng tenga. Musicality niya taas. Ang taas ng level.
Look in your eyes and I can see your love so dangerously. Your trust in your heart to anyone. You tell me you're gonna play it smart.
Ang galing niya.
Before we start, I believe that we've only just begun.
Placement. Great use of larynx, no?
When this guilt has no, say no. Ha! Well, I need you
So
to.
free.
I'm ready to go.
Saan galing yun? Slay.
To the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I'd let the risk it all. Oh, to the fire, to whatever.
Detalyado siya.
For the sake of loving you, I take it all away.
5 notes in 1 second.
Right down to the
Freak. This guy is insane. B4 yun, ha? Yes. May mga blue note pa siya dito. Reminds me of Brian McKnight. Ganong level yung pulutan dun sa part na yun.
Standing ovation!
Deserve, no? Grabe. Lahat ng judges ng Standing Ovation, ganong kalupit si Jeremiah Chanko. Dati ko pa siyang Lodi talaga sa The Clash pa lang. And I've said this a lot of times already, he is my top favorite male singer from GMA. And ngayon sumali sa TNT, sobrang lupit ng boses, grabe yung vocal chops, grabe yung agility, angas, style nandun. And hindi siya puro kulot-kulot, may mga parts na sinisimple niya, tapos may mga blue note pang ini-insert. Grabe yung musicality ng taong to. So great job sa iyo, Jeremiah, and I will never take back my statement before na ikaw yung paborito kong male singer ng GMA talaga, dahil kitang-kita naman kung gaano ka kagaling and gaano katalas ang tenga mo. Great job!
Hintay ako sa iyong pagbalik. Ayokong ikaw